The National Electrical Code, or NEC, addresses concerns regarding the electrical aspects of snow and ice melting systems for commercial roofs and gutters. These systems use electrical energy to heat surfaces and prevent ice and snow accumulation. NEC Code Section 427.21d addresses installation on roofs and gutters. Heat cables and heating panels must be listed for this application. Equipment must be securely fastened to prevent deterioration or damage due to vibration, movement, or wind. Cables and panels must be installed on the underside of the roofing material or within the gutter. Installation must protect the system from moisture and mechanical damage. NEC Code Section 427.21e addresses connection to power supply. Heat cables and heating panels must be connected to a designated circuit. Circuits must be protected against overcurrent and have a disconnect switch. Wiring and connections must be made in accordance with good electrical practice. NEC Code Section 427.21f addresses maintenance and testing. Snow and ice melting systems must be inspected and tested annually. Testing should verify proper operation and identify any potential hazards. Maintenance includes cleaning and repairing any damaged components. NEC Code Section 427.21g addresses grounding. Equipment must be effectively grounded. Grounding connections must comply with the NEC requirements for grounding. When installing snow and ice melting systems, several issues should be considered. Firstly, electrical loading must be considered. Installing snow and ice melting systems can increase the electrical load of a commercial building. Proper circuit sizing and protection are essential to ensure safe operation. Secondly, water damage must be considered. Heat cables and heating panels may be subject to moisture damage if improperly installed. Water intrusion into the electrical system can pose a safety hazard. Thirdly, fire hazards must be considered. Snow and ice melting systems generate heat, which can create a fire hazard if not properly installed or maintained. Fourthly, electrical connections must be considered. Loose or damaged electrical connections can lead to system failure or electrical hazards. Fifthly, system inspection and testing must be considered. Regular inspection and testing are crucial to ensure system safety and effectiveness. Adhering to NEC requirements is essential for the safe and efficient operation of snow and ice melting systems on commercial roofs and gutters. By following these guidelines, electrical contractors and building owners can minimize the risks associated with these systems and maintain a safe and hazard-free environment.